E-waste, a 21st century problem which is even growing. Hundreds of millions of tons of waste. If we don't do anything about it, it will have big consequences. Because if we keep going on like this beautiful forest will turn into this. This is the biggest e-waste dump of the world in Ghana. Thousands of people working here in this toxic environment without any special clothing. It's their life cycle. They work here, they eat here, and they die here. Do we really want that for the future generations? Or do we want to help them? Millions of phones are just thrown away every year, while they could easily be repaired. This is why I came up with the next idea. What if we repair these phones instead of just throwing them away? It's easy, and it saves you money too. Buy a screen, repair your phone, and send the old screen back to me. The old screen we can recycle by putting on a new glass panel. This way no new screens have to be made. Then buy a new screen in my store again and repair your phone. This way we create a circle. This way we reduce e-waste and the use of raw materials. Together we can combat e-waste.